Hey friends, welcome to the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, a friend of ours dropped their truck off and we were just going through. He just recently installed this hub. This is on a 5500, as you can tell. This old boy, he drives this thing all the time. You see that setup back there? That's somebody that drives that shit all the time. This is obviously used for work, probably. Yeah, obviously. So this old boy drives this thing all the time, and I told him about our Dodge, and he said, Wayne, he said, let me tell you something. My shit vibrated so damn bad, I didn't even drive it that damn fast. Got these damn hubs on there, I just cruised right along. And I said, yeah, that's like everybody else. Here's the deal. Here's what most people don't understand, is when you have a single U-joint, it turns at different velocities, and therefore you have vibrations, and there's no way around it. When you have a single U-joint, you are going to have vibrations to some degree, and that's what most people don't understand. That's why they came up with such thing as a CV joint. CV joints. The other thing that you can do is you can phase U-joints. You put two U-joints at 90 degrees and you got a cardan joint. You can balance those and you can phase those to some degree. But you ain't never gonna be able to phase or balance one of them damn drive shafts up underneath there. Let me tell you a little hint. When you look at a big old gigantic heavy tube that's got welded weights on it, that big, 2 or 3 of them on there, if you think that that is precise balancing, you've got to start over from day one, because that ain't. That is just getting close so the fucking thing don't come apart on you. That's basically what it is. And that's why you have multiple drive shafts and multiple cardans, to keep that drive shaft smaller, shorter, easier to get some sort of a balance instead of having a 30-foot long wobbly mess. That's why you do that. So you can see U-joints in practice when you see a four-wheel drive get stuck, and sometimes you'll look at the front tires and you'll see the front tires grabbing. They'll be jerking like that, because a single U-joint is a jerky movement. They're not smooth, and most people don't know that. But when you look at U-joints on a freeze frame camera or a ballistics camera, they turn at different velocities. The caps of the U-joints, because they're farther from the center line, are turning faster than the center. They have to cover more ground. So that's why when you look at a ballistics camera on a single U-joint, you'll see them, they go fast, slow, fast, slow. That's how they turn. And that's why you get vibrations, just like a sine wave. And the only way around that is sort of run a cardan, a double U-joint. But the best that you can run is CV joints. That's why you got people making them heavy-duty drive shafts for these things a fortune. And that's why today there is no four-wheel drive vehicle on the planet Earth designed for highway speeds, driven all the time with a single U-joint. Every automobile and truck on the planet has got CV joints. You just think of it. Find me a Porsche or a Ferrari or any other all-wheel drive running a fucking U-joint anywhere. Send me a picture and I'll give you $1,000. Bye.